This video is to teach solving two-step equations. I have highlighted and put all of our two-step equation rules over here on the left, making sure that we follow all of those as we work. We always undo addition and subtraction first after we have written the original equation. Therefore, I will need to add 8 to both sides of my equation. Those cancel. Our 5y is still left here after my 8 was canceled with my minus 8 and plus 8. I bring down my 5y, I bring down my equal sign, 7 plus 8 is 15. My next job is to get rid of the 5 so the y can be by itself. Divide both sides by 5 because that is the opposite of multiplying by 5, which is what they had. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Therefore, y equals 3. Let's check our answer because we still have to check our answer box and make sure we leave room. Now I write the original equation as it was at the top of the problem, but I substitute in what I believe y to be. Here I have said that y is 3. We put in 3 where the y was, so that we can check to make sure this works. I know 5 times 3 is 15, minus 8 is 7. 7 equals 7, and it checks. Let's try another one. This one begins with two different operations. Back here we had multiplication and subtraction that we had to undo. Here we have division and addition that we have to undo. We always undo addition and subtraction first. Therefore, minus 13 is how we have to begin both sides. We show our cancellations. 18 minus 13 is now what we have to do on our right-hand side of the equation. That's 5. So something divided by 4 equals 5. Now I might know the answer is 20, but I have to show it works by doing the opposite of dividing by 4. You got it. Times 4, use a dot. Times 4, cancel it out. W equals 20. Remember that anything divided by 4 and times 4, those are opposites. So dividing by 4 and multiplying by 4 cancel each other out, leaving us with W equals 20. Does it work? I don't know. I will start with my original equation, but I will plug in 20 for W, 20 for W to see if it works. So 20 divided by 4 plus 13 equals 18. Notice that I wrote the original equation down here for the check, but I plugged in 20 for the W. Well, 20 divided by 4 is 5. Plus 13 does equal 18. Yes, that works. Let's look back to see if we have everything we need. So we have our original equation, what we did to get rid of our first step, which was undoing the addition and subtraction. We have a one-step equation here on the third line where I said it should be in class. Then what we did to get rid of the second step, which was getting rid of the dividing. The opposite of dividing is multiplying. We multiplied by 4. The answer is 20. We plugged it back in for the W. 20 divided by 4 is 5 plus 13 equals 18. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 6 lines for every two-step equation. Noticing that I have an additional line here, which makes 7 total, and I have 2 additional lines here, which makes 8 total. That's why it's very important to not miss any part. You're on your way.